Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize IDX setup using iHomefinder, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin the IDX setup with iHomefinder, visit the iHomefinder website. Sign in to your iHomefinder account with your credentials. Navigate to the dashboard once logged in. Locate the IDX or settings section in the main menu. Click on the authorization tab within the IDX settings. You will see options for authorization settings. Select the type of authorization you require for your IDX setup. Fill in any necessary information requested in the authorization form. Ensure your MLS details are accurate and complete. Check for any additional settings that may need configuration. Save your changes to the authorization settings. A confirmation message should appear indicating successful authorization. If the authorization fails, review the information entered for accuracy. After successful authorization, return to the dashboard. Look for the widgets or integration section next. Create or customize IDX search widgets as needed. Copy the provided code for your chosen widgets. Paste the widget code into your website's HTML where desired. Access your website to confirm the widgets display correctly. Test the IDX features to ensure everything functions properly. If issues persist, consult the iHomefinder support documentation for troubleshooting. Your IDX setup with iHomefinder should now be fully authorized and functional. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.